Hello folks, Wes here, B&B Audioconcepts, and today we have this stunning SL AMG 6.3. It's come in because the command was a bit old. Guy wants Apple CarPlay, and let me show you what I've done. Bear with me while I get in. Okay, we have now taken out the basic 7-inch command and put in a 9-inch Kenwood in here, which will now give him Apple and Android CarPlay. Plus FM and Bluetooth, USB, etc. It's now, it's now all touch screen, so you get that sort of functionality working. If something like this interests you, give us a ring. This is not a simple job because you have to take all of this out, and we've also had to try about 4 different stalks. We have used an ACV kit in this, but we did have some issues and we managed to resolve them. The steering wheel controls are working, so that's all good, and the car is as it should be. If something like this interests you, please give us a ring. This now has a 3-year warranty because we're a Kenwood Pro dealer. Thank you for watching.